Hi, my name is Marianne, and I'm going to talk about one history of the ancestors. The ancestors, presented by me, Mariana Oye. Once upon a time, in a mainland called America that was other mainland for 1,000,002 kilometers for water to the mainland. Our ancestors had the jaw more big to a dinosaur, more huge and unique to only can resemble to himself. For this, they always using a hound, where more can see they and using a thread to glue to come to hunt and come back place where stay for go to hunt to the deep blue water. Use a float in this time was simple a piece of wood to float every day find other person and they keep her captivity. Because I didn't know look like anything to them. Had a small jaw, and small eyes, and small ears. Was very proportional, but never did talk the same language. And he told them to he was the groom to a princess. The other man so they so they to look the big love to profess towards the princess they left him free. But with one condition was he returned to visit them, the man the groom. He accepted the he accepted the deal without any objection, and on his way back he remembered the promise remarkably when he married the princess after many years of having married he returned to visit them, grateful men have him favor of his race and considered calling him friend. Thank you. This is